His Excellency, the Minister of Foreign Affairs of the Islamic Republic of Iran, Mr. Manouchehr Mottaki, and His Excellency, the Minister of Justice and Constitutional Affairs of the Republic of Malawi, Mr. George Chaponda. And now, Your Excellency, the Minister of Foreign Affairs of the Islamic Republic of Iran, Mr. Manouchehr Mottaki. You may now proceed with the signature of the protocol. And now, yeah. Now he's going to make a statement. Thank you.
In the name of God, the compassionate, the merciful, on the occasion of the 10th anniversary of the adoption of the optional protocol on the involvement of children in armed conflicts, I am pleased to sign this important protocol on behalf of the Islamic Republic of Iran. Protection of the child, in particular in situation of armed conflict, is a basic policy of the Islamic Republic of Iran, emanating from the lofty principles of our religion and our culture. Iran is a party to the Convention on the Rights of the Child and its optional protocol on the sale of children, child prostitution, and child pornography. Adhering to these documents related to the rights of the child is a testimony of the commitment of Iran to the promotion and protection of the rights of the child within the national law and principles of Islam. The Islamic Republic of Iran reserves its right to make reservations or declaration at the time of depositing the instrument of ratification of this protocol as we may deem it appropriate. Thank you very much for your attention. Thank you.
Your Excellency, the Minister of Justice and Constitutional Affairs of the Republic of Malawi, Mr. George Chaponda, you may now proceed with the ratification of the protocol. You are now invited to make a statement.
Excellencies, distinguished colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, I have the honor to speak on behalf of the government of the Republic of Malawi on this historic and very important occasion for our country, where we are committing ourselves in the form of ratification to the tenets of the optical protocol on the Convention on the Rights of the Child on the involvement of children in armed conflicts. As we are aware, one of the most significant trends in recent years has been the use of children in armed conflict around the world, and this is an issue which my country is against. Malawi would like to join the international community that already commits itself in according special protection to children, especially against their recruitment or involvement in armed conflict. We commit further to our unwavering support obligation to make sure that children have a better place to live, grow, and be accessible to all the avenues which make them fulfill their dreams in their lives and contribute positively to their society. Excellencies, Malawi is fully committed to the protection of children in situations of armed conflict. Our country's laws expressly prohibit the recruitment of children under the age of 18. As such is the targeting of children in situations of armed conflicts of whatever kind, which we completely and seriously condemn. The same applies to direct attacks on objects protected under international law, including places that generally have a significant presence of children, such as schools and hospitals. Malawi, being a party to the Rome Statute, shall ensure that anyone who commits the crime of conscripting or enlisting children or soldiers under the age of 15 years or using them to participate actively in hostilities in both international and non-international armed conflict is brought to justice. It is our hope that our depositing of this treaty in the form of ratification will go a long way in sending a strong message to those perpetrators of these heinous crimes that their actions have no place in humankind. And we also look forward that many other countries will join us in this endeavor. I thank you for your attention. Thank you.
Son Excellence le ministre des Affaires étrangères de la République gabonaise, Monsieur Paul Tanguy. Monsieur Tanguy, s'il vous plaît, procédez à la ratification du protocole. And now, I would like to invite the special representative of the Secretary General for Children and Armed Conflict, Ms. Radhika Kumaraswamy. You are now invited to make a statement.
Excellencies, Honorary Legal Counsel, ladies and gentlemen, today is a landmark day for children. Today, Your Excellencies have come together to sign and ratify an international treaty which serves to ensure that no more will children be forced to fight in war, and no more will children be pressed into military service. Today, you have strengthened a growing moral consensus that war is no place for children. I thank you for your presence here and taking this vital step for the protection of children. In the last 4 months, since the launch of our campaign, Zero Under 18, more member states have signed or ratified this treaty than in all of 2009. Excellencies, we need your help to keep this momentum going. Right now, more than 50 of your counterparts have yet to ratify the optional protocol. We ask you to become champions of Zero Under 18 and to take this General Assembly, as well as every opportunity, to emphasize the need to become a party to the optional protocol with those who have not. Together, along with UNICEF, the Special Representative on Violence Against Children, and the Office of the High Commissioner for Human Rights, we will continue to strive for universal ratification. Excellencies, today you and the people of the nations you represent have added their names to the list of those who have stepped forward to establish an international norm to make certain that the rights of boys and girls to have a childhood of learning without disruption and playing without fear is respected in every land. And for this, I thank you. May I invite you to take a picture before our campaign? All together.
Because they have to follow the protocol, as you explained, otherwise.
All three together. What sign? Yes.
Yeah. Exactly. Follow the protocol.
Could you push in all of it? Great. Great.
You understand me?
A little step in, a little perfect. Great. Two more. All right.
Then without using perfume, we can take a picture. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Patricia. All right, see you. See you during the week. Yes, you do. Thank you.